आर्ट मण्डप आर्ट्स एन्ड क्राफ्ट्सलाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र आर्ट एन्ड क्राफ्ट सम्बन्धी मेरो नयाँ नयाँ भिडियो हेर्नको लागि साइडमा रहेको बेल आइकन प्रेस गर्नुहोस्। Hello friends, welcome to Art Mandap Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to teach you how to make rolling pen with beer can. First of all, take a piece of empty beer can, fold it into a half piece, but don't cut. Fold again the edges in the middle as shown in the video. Now take a piece of broomstick and put it inside the first folded part and bend as shown in the video. After that, mark in the edges as shown in the video. After marking, cut it with the help of scissors. Cut it gently and properly. Take a sellotape and tie it properly. After that, cut the pen as shown in the video carefully and press it from both sides properly so that it can hold ink for a long time. It's about ready. You can see the gap in the pen. To fix the gap, take tape again and hold it tightly and put the tape properly. Now again press it from both sides properly and cut little part of the pen. Pen is ready. Now pen is going to be ready. Take a sandpaper and rub it slowly and lightly so that it can write smoothly. If you don't have sandpaper, you can do this process in the cement plaster floor. Now I will write with this pen. I am using Kinemaster ink. You can use any ink you like. Let's dip the pen in the ink. Now I am trying to write with this pen. Look at this. how it works. Now let's try another one again. It's working properly. We can also try this pen at home. Cut a little part of the pen in 30 to 35 degree so that it can also write Devanagari fonts. I will try Devanagari font, Ka. Wow, look at this. I am writing with top of the pen. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any inquiry about calligraphy and handwriting, please comment in the comment section below.